Right, this is my new soldering iron I purchased, got it through the post. Brand new, nice smooth lines, 40 watt, lovely. That type of tip, I've just been setting it out. It took a couple of minutes to warm up. I'm going to see if I can attach some droppers to my rail I have, and I shall put it on YouTube and you can give us comments about it then. There we are. Nice firm joint. Give it a bit of a clean and push them back together. And there's your dropper. That's not bad, is it? I'll unscrew it from... That's what I had a screw in to keep it too firm. And you can see, nice, clean joint. You can see a little bit solid, but when you've got that down, just thread it through the hole on your track, like so. I'll lift this board up a bit. There we are. By the time you put your ballast on there, you can't see it. A neat job. And thanks for watching.